I've got a curved door leaf here, and within this curved door leaf, it's a sliding door actually. We've got a little lock down at the bottom here, which is door security rack lock here that I've got listed on this side. So you can see it's a sub-assembly of another part. So I've called this level 1 sub-assembly in this particular job. And what I wanted to show you was in the drawing space, if you want to bring this lock through, or any component through as hidden lines on an elevation, let's say, just to show that it's in there within the model, is a relatively quick way of doing that. So what we would do is, this is our drawing of this particular door, and we've got the elevation here, and I'd like to see the lock that's hidden away inside here. So on the left hand side, if we click on this particular drawing view that I've got here, which is the elevation, you see it's called drawing view 6. Okay, so what we need to do is look for drawing view 6. It's highlighted because we've clicked on it, but it's actually this drawing view here. And if you expand this drawing view with the little drop down arrow here, you can expand it into the components that we've got, and you can see we've got door security rack here. When I click on it and zoom in, you can see it's putting some little kind of greeny lines around where the component is, and we just want to see that on the front as a dotted line, just to show there's a lock inside there, so that we can annotate it. And the way we do that, or we can do that, is on here, right click where it says show hide. You get a little, if you hold your mouse over the show hide, you get a little, wait long enough, you get a little pull out that says show hidden edges. You can hide the component if you want, but I mean, you wouldn't be able to see it. So that's on it's on the show hide settings. You can't see it anyway. So click on show hidden edges and just wait for a second or two, and then you'll see the outline of our lock is now being brought through in there. So we can now annotate it and just show it as the position of the lock inside the door. Hope this helps. A few less clicks. See you next time.